eco-friendly device, Motorola Edge 50. Let's unbox it. Plastic-free packaging. Factory sealed. Wow, check out that seal. Nice. Bam. No, but really, it smells like a perfume. It really is. That is weird. That's the first time I smell a perfume in a smartphone. Come on. Come on. Well, manual. And the case. Of course, SIM card tool. And then here we do have a huge brick. USB type A to C cable or C. I think it's C both. And the brick, of course. No, that's C to C cable. It's a huge brick. Plastic. Shoop. It doesn't feel like artificial leather. More like a rubber, but definitely a dust magnet. On the side, we do have antenna, microphone on the side. That's unusual. Power button. Very small power button, but at the correct height, at least for my sausage fingers. Volume buttons, which are separate. Another antenna. On the top, we do have microphone. Dolby Atmos logo, if we close up. There you go, see? Not sure if you're able to see it. Dolby Atmos 2 antennas. 3 more antennas. Then SIM card tray, a microphone, 2 antennas, USB Type-C, and a speaker. Case. Is it going to protect a smartphone all around? Well, goes very smoothly, like a Swiss watch. Bing, and it's it's more slippery with that case. That's what's the point of that case? It's without it, it's much better. At least if I'm talking about slipperiness. And also looks better without the case. Now with the case, it's dim. I don't know. But it will protect a screen on the top and bottom, not on the sides. Oh, do you see it? It's not. It's like that case is bended. See? Do you see the movement? That wasn't supposed to happen in the original case. Hello, Moto. First of all, we do have a beautiful screen. If we swipe it, wow, check out that wallpaper. Check out that resolution. It is gorgeous. 144 Hertz will give you a smooth experience. And there's no jittery like in adaptive Samsung smartphones. It's all smooth. Look, there's no jittery. That is a real smoothness. By the way, let's see settings. And in the settings, of course, we do have a display refresh rate. Auto 60, 120, and 144. Of course, it will drain the battery, but who cares? You have a huge battery. Very nice. Dark theme, if you wanted to. Should we leave it in dark? I think we should. Well, adaptive brightness. Edge light. Now that is something.
Hello, Moto.
Flicker prevention. Okay, so it won't flick. So better for your eyes. And in the camera, 30 frames per second. That's the maximum resolution. You can also use a HDR if you wanted to. But this also in 4K. It's a much brighter screen. We do have slow motion, photo, portrait pro, scan the documents more, and all kinds of stuff. Okay, let me show you some samples. Filming with 4K 30 frames per second. Okay, I forgot my keys. I always forgetting my keys. There you go. It's my right Lamborghini. Okay, it's not Lamborghini, it's Pogist. But this is wide angle. We do have autofocus in wide angle, which is great. Main lens out 2x and even 3x, and even we can go even further all the way to 20x, but this is electronic zoom. Well, vlogging style from the wide angle, this is going to look like. And of course, wow, front-facing camera, which is extremely wide with autofocus, great success. Look how wide it is, but the video stabilization, it's not available. I mean, electronic one. Let me switch to electronic one. You have a little bit of crop, but with video stabilization. It's not overexposing the sky, which is great. I mean, if we shoot directly, bam. See? The algorithm wants to brighten up my face. That's what it is. Well, definitely props for the front-facing camera, which is one of the best wide-angle with autofocus camera I've seen ever in any smartphone. A little bit of colors for you. Let's see pictures. Photos, it has a tendency to over saturate the image. Look at that grass. That grass is extremely green. Also red. Ooh, too much. A little bit too much. But let me leave you with those photos. I'll come back in a second. That's the stereo speakers. Okay, calm down. That's pretty good. Conclusion, I think this is a great medium-range smartphone with a fantastic screen, 144Hz, and wide-angle front-facing camera with autofocus. Also the wide-angle on the back is with autofocus. I don't think you can find a set of cameras like that in a medium-range smartphone, because it's a high-end medium-range. Something like it's not the ultimate, because the Ultra coming soon, I think in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and that should be the 4K 60, even 8K maximum experience. This isn't. This is only 4K 30, but not even Galaxy S24 has autofocus in wide-angle lens, which is very important if you like to film. Also, pictures are pretty decent. Link in the description, of course, for. It's a bit too expensive. And I have a little bit of glitches in the camera during the filming. The image just glitch a little bit. The camera app closed itself. It's latest firmware. I don't know. I'm not sure about the power, the processor power, because I was trying to render something in the smartphone and it's taking a long time compared to the similar price smartphones. If they cut the price in half, that will be a deal breaker. But for now, And that's all I have. Wait for the full review and a camera test in a separate video. See you next video. Bye.